All of the major food groups, including lean proteins, whole grains, healthy fats, and colorful fruits and vegetables, are typically represented in a healthy diet by nutrient-dense foods. Trans fats, added salt, and sugar-containing meals should be swapped out for more nutrient-dense alternatives as part of healthy eating practices. A nutritious diet has several advantages, such as strengthening bones, defending the heart, preventing sickness, and elevating mood. The top 10 health benefits of a healthy diet are covered in this article along with the supporting data. With lifestyle modifications, such as increasing physical exercise and eating healthily, it may be feasible to prevent up to 90% of early heart disease and stroke diagnoses. People's diets can lower their blood pressure and support the health of their hearts. The dietary approaches to stop hypertension diet has a lot of heart-healthy foods. Foods high in fiber are also essential for maintaining a healthy heart. Dietary fiber lowers the incidence of heart disease, stroke, obesity, and type 2 diabetes while also assisting in the improvement of blood cholesterol. Limiting specific fats can also help your heart's health. This kind of cholesterol raises the risk of a heart attack and stroke by causing plaque to build up within the arteries. Many processed and fast foods are salted by food makers, so those trying to lower their blood pressure should stay away from these items. By preventing cell damage, consuming foods rich in antioxidants can help people lower their risk of getting cancer. Antioxidants assist in the removal of free radicals from the body, which reduces the possibility of cancer while their presence increases the danger of the disease. Beta-carotene, lycopene, and vitamins A, C, and E are just a few of the phytochemicals that can be found in fruits, vegetables, nuts, and legumes and function as antioxidants. Antioxidant-rich foods include: a diet high in fruits lowers the risk of upper gastrointestinal tract malignancies, according to a 2015 study. Additionally, they discovered that a diet high in fiber and low in fat decreased the risk of liver cancer, while a diet high in fiber decreased the risk of colon cancer. Researchers discovered in 2015 that individuals with obesity who are otherwise healthy may have greater symptoms of weariness and sadness while consuming meals high in glycemic load. Many refined carbs, including those in soft drinks, cakes, white bread, and biscuits, are part of a diet with a high glycemic load. According to recent studies, nutrition may affect mood if it changes blood sugar levels, immune function, or gut flora. Recent research suggests that changes in gut flora, immunological response, or blood sugar levels might all have an impact on mood. It is significant to note that the researchers emphasized the need for additional investigation into the mechanisms relating food to mental health. An individual may find it helpful to speak with a doctor or mental health expert if they believe they are experiencing depressive symptoms. If someone thinks they are going through depression symptoms, they could find it useful to talk to a doctor or mental health professional. A balanced diet may support mental and cognitive wellness. The chance of developing chronic health problems can be lowered by maintaining a healthy weight. Vegetables, fruits, and beans are just a few of the nutritious foods that have fewer calories than most processed foods. Without counting calories, sticking to a nutritious diet can help someone stay inside their daily limit. In 2017, scientists discovered that eating a diet high in fiber and lean proteins caused weight loss without the need to keep track of calories consumed. In 2017, scientists discovered that eating a diet high in fiber and lean proteins caused weight loss without the need to keep track of calories consumed. A diabetic may benefit from a healthy diet. Those who have diabetes must restrict their consumption of foods with added salt and sugar. They ought to think about staying away from fried foods that are high in saturated and trans fats. Alcohol consumption and obesity are risk factors. Whether or not a person has sleep apnea, cutting back on alcohol and caffeine may help them get a good night's sleep. Parents that set a good example by modeling healthy eating and exercise habits likely to pass them on to their children, who learn most health-related behaviors from the adults in their immediate environment. There are many simple ways to enhance one's diet, such as taking a cooking lesson and learning how to include more vegetables in meals can also be helpful. Numerous advantages of a healthy diet include a decreased risk of heart disease, stroke, obesity, and type 2 diabetes. By eating a balanced diet, one can also improve their mood and have more energy. Additional advice for adopting a healthier diet might be obtained from a physician or nutritionist. A single-seed fruit called a walnut offers beneficial lipids, protein, copper, manganese, and other necessary components. Tahini is a delicious sesame paste that has been shown to protect against malignancies linked to hormones, control blood pressure, and maintain bone health. While all veggies include essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber, some provide more health advantages than others. All vegetables provide key vitamins, minerals, and fiber, but some offer more health benefits than others.